Building an impressive physique takes dedication, discipline, and yes, serious muscle breakdown during those intense workouts. But here's the secret most beginners miss. Muscle growth actually happens during recovery, not while you're lifting weights. Without proper recovery, your muscles can't repair themselves, leading to plateaus, increased risk of injury, and overall frustration. This video will equip you with the essential muscle recovery tips for bodybuilders so you can maximize your gains and get back in the gym feeling stronger, faster. Diet and nutrition, fueling your recovery engine. When it comes to muscle recovery, what you put on your plate matters just as much as the weights you lift. Think of your body as a high-performance machine. After a grueling workout, it craves the right fuel to rebuild and grow stronger. Here's how to optimize your diet and nutrition for optimal muscle recovery. Post-workout window. The first 30 minutes after your workout is a critical window for jump-starting muscle repair. Aim to consume a meal or snack containing both protein and carbohydrates. Protein provides the building blocks for muscle tissue, while carbohydrates replenish glycogen stores, your body's primary source of energy during exercise. A good target is 0.4–0.6 grams of protein per kilogram, 18.27 grams per pound of body weight, along with moderate glycemic carbohydrates like fruits, whole grains, or starchy vegetables. Think lean chicken breast with brown rice and vegetables, or a protein smoothie with fruit and yogurt. Balanced diet beyond the workout. Don't limit your focus to just post-workout meals. Building a strong foundation through a balanced diet rich in various nutrients is crucial for overall recovery. Include plenty of fruits and vegetables in your meals for essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support muscle function and repair. Don't forget healthy fats from sources like fatty fish, nuts, and seeds. These fats play a vital role in hormone production, cell function, and reducing inflammation, all of which contribute to optimal recovery. Hydration, keeping your recovery flowing. You already know staying hydrated is crucial during your workout to regulate body temperature and prevent fatigue. But for muscle recovery, hydration remains equally important. Here's why. Muscle is mostly water. Dehydration can negatively impact muscle function and hinder the muscle repair process. Aim to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day, not just around your workout. Hydration aids nutrient delivery. Water transports essential nutrients for repair, like oxygen and electrolytes throughout your body. Proper hydration ensures your muscles receive the building blocks they need to recover effectively. Lubrication and waste removal. Water acts as a lubricant for your joints and helps flush out waste products produced during exercise. This can reduce muscle soreness and stiffness, promoting faster recovery. While water is your best bet, some bodybuilders might benefit from electrolyte-enhanced beverages during long or intense workouts, especially in hot weather. These drinks can help replenish electrolytes lost through sweat, which are important for maintaining muscle function and nerve transmission. Remember, moderation is key. Sugary sports drinks can be counterproductive, so check the sugar content before gulping one down. Rest and sleep, powering up for growth. Imagine trying to build a skyscraper without proper rest periods for the construction crew. Your muscles are no different. While pushing yourself in the gym is essential for muscle growth, it's during rest and sleep that the magic of recovery truly happens. Here's why prioritizing these elements is crucial for bodybuilders. The sleep advantage. During sleep, your body releases hormones like human growth hormone, HGH, which plays a vital role in muscle repair and growth. Insufficient sleep can significantly hinder HGH production, slowing down your progress. Aim for 7–9 hours of quality sleep each night to optimize your recovery potential. Don't overdo it. Scheduling rest days allows your muscles to fully recover from the micro-tears sustained during exercise. These tears are what ultimately lead to muscle growth, as your body repairs them stronger. Without adequate rest, you risk overtraining, which can lead to fatigue, decreased performance, and increased risk of injury. Listen to your body and schedule rest days strategically within your workout program. Bonus tip: create a relaxing pre-sleep routine to wind down and prepare your body for quality sleep. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. By prioritizing sleep and rest, you create the optimal environment for your muscles to rebuild and come back stronger for your next workout. Active recovery techniques. Move it to improve it. While rest is crucial, incorporating active recovery techniques between intense workouts can significantly boost your recovery process. These low-impact activities promote blood flow, reduce muscle soreness, and improve mobility, all of which contribute to faster and more effective muscle repair. Here are some key active recovery techniques for bodybuilders. Light cardio. Don't confuse this with pushing yourself on the treadmill. Light cardio involves low-intensity activities like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. These activities keep your heart rate elevated in a comfortable range, 30–60% of your maximum heart rate, and promote increased blood flow, which helps deliver nutrients to your muscles and flush out waste products. Foam rolling and self-massage. These techniques involve applying pressure to your muscles with a foam roller or massage balls. This helps break down muscle adhesions, tight knots, improve blood flow, and reduce muscle tension and soreness. Focus on major muscle groups like quads, hamstrings, glutes, and shoulders for optimal recovery benefits. Dynamic stretching. Unlike static stretching, which is best saved for after a workout when your muscles are warm, dynamic stretches involve controlled movements that gently take your muscles through their full range of motion. This can help improve flexibility and reduce muscle stiffness, preparing you for your next training session. Remember, don't confuse active recovery with another intense workout. These activities should feel good and leave you feeling energized, not exhausted. Other recovery modalities, optional. Pushing the limits for advanced bodybuilders. The methods covered so far form the foundation of a solid muscle recovery routine. However, for advanced bodybuilders looking to optimize every aspect of their recovery, there are a few additional modalities to consider. It's important to note that these methods may not be necessary for everyone, and some can come with potential risks or limitations. It's best to consult with a healthcare professional or qualified trainer before incorporating them into your routine. Contrast therapy. This technique involves alternating hot and cold water immersion. The theory is that hot water increases blood flow to promote healing, while cold water reduces inflammation and muscle soreness. While some research suggests potential benefits, more studies are needed to definitively determine its effectiveness. Cryotherapy. This involves short-term exposure to extremely cold temperatures, usually 110 to 196 deg in a specialized chamber. Proponents claim it can reduce muscle soreness and inflammation, but the research is mixed. Additionally, cryotherapy can be expensive and may not be readily available. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy, HBOT. This involves breathing pure oxygen in a pressurized chamber. While some studies suggest HBOT may promote healing and reduce inflammation, the research is limited and it's a relatively expensive therapy. Important note: these techniques are for advanced bodybuilders only and should be approached with caution. Always consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new recovery modality, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Conclusion: building a recovery routine for success. Muscle recovery isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for any bodybuilder aiming to reach their full potential. By incorporating the tips outlined in this video, prioritizing a balanced diet, staying hydrated, getting enough quality sleep, and utilizing active recovery techniques, you can create a recovery routine that fuels your progress and keeps you pushing towards your goals. Remember, consistency is key. By making recovery a core principle in your training program, you'll be well on your way to building a stronger, more resilient physique, workout after workout. For advanced bodybuilders, exploring additional recovery modalities like contrast therapy or cryotherapy might offer further benefits. However, always approach these methods with caution and consult a healthcare professional before diving in. The road to building an impressive physique is paved with dedication and smart training practices. By prioritizing recovery alongside your workouts, you'll ensure your muscles have the resources they need to grow stronger and take your bodybuilding journey to the next level.